In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how anyone can take a simple prompt like this and turn it into a published high quality video like this.
10 habits of highly successful people. We've all heard the phrase, success doesn't happen by accident. Well, that's truer than most of us realize.
In just a few short minutes for free. No, guys, do this right and you can make thousands of dollars every single month like these other YouTube channels. Now, I'm gonna call this video how to make $200 a day with faceless YouTube videos using AI. Now, it is not going to happen right away, but if you can just stick with it and trust the process and not the progress, you're gonna get there. So you guys ready? Let's go. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is choose a niche. That's step one. So money, travel, motivation, love, success, exercise, fitness, and business are the highest performing niches out there for faceless YouTube channels. So I highly recommend choosing one of these if you want to go this route. Now for the sake of this video, I'll be doing something tailored more towards the success motivation route because people love that kind of stuff. Now, to get ideas, you can use ChatGPT or this other tool I like to use because it's more tailored towards YouTube and I think you get better results. So the first thing you want to do is go to YouTube and type in the niche of your video so you can get an idea of what type of videos do well. So let's go check it out. And I just put in success just to see kind of what pops up in the search results because you want to see what types of videos do well. And then just kind of looking at these, you look at the views. That's how I like to see like, okay, so if this one got this many views, people must be interested in this kind of stuff. So I just like to look at the views to kind of get some motivation. And just going through this actually reminds me of doing those like morning routines. You know how you see those on YouTube? Those type of videos do really well. So what I'm doing is trying to think of just like some type of niches that do well. So I'm going to use the AI tool that I use to kind of figure out some ideas on what kind of topics to write for this. Using my AI tool, I put in 10 viral video ideas that can be created in the success niche that can be produced using stock footage available online. For example, morning routines. And it gave me a whole list of ideas. Now, I like the first one that it gave me called 10 Habits of Highly Successful People. And then it gave me some examples of how I could use stock footage for this type of video. So now, this is where the fun begins, okay? So I'm gonna go over to the computer and show you on how I'm gonna actually be able to put this video together, go into NVIDIA AI, and I'm gonna put the link in the description if you guys can get to it. But I'm gonna show you how to create a high quality published video that's going to do the script for me, add media, the background music, the voiceover, all in just a couple of minutes, all right? So let's go to it. Okay, now here we are on AI and video, and when you guys have to sign in, I did it with my Google Gmail account, and I went through the prompts to get here. So once you get here to start your video, I'm gonna put in a very detailed prompt, and I'm gonna give you guys the cues that I'm using that you must use in your videos to create the best high quality video, okay? So this is a prompt that I'm going to be using for this specific video. And what I'm saying is to create a video for YouTube on 10 habits of highly successful people. Keep the duration 5 minutes long. Now this is where you can just make it however long or short you want. Start the video by introducing the topic and use the title as the intro text. Then give the 10 habits and illustrate each with relevant stock clips. Keep the language super simple and easy to understand. Conclude the video by asking viewers which habit they will work on first. Use an energetic American female voice for the voiceover. And then I told them to pick points from this article. So what I did is I just simply went to Google and then I put in habits of highly successful people. And then I was just looking through some of the articles up here. And the one that I saw that I liked best, it was this one right here. And just kind of reading through it, I liked how it was. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna go ahead and copy the URL and then I put it right here in my prompt. And that's where I said, pick points from this article. So when they're developing the content for this, I want them just to look over that article and pick some points out of there because it was a good article. So then I'm gonna say, generate a video. And in just a couple of minutes, it's going to generate us a high quality published video. Now in every prompt, you have to make clear of the following. The platform, so in this specific instance, I'm saying YouTube video, not a YouTube short. If you want to do a YouTube short, that's where you would say YouTube short. Then I'm saying the topic, which is 10 habits of highly successful people. Then I'm putting in the duration of the video, which for this one is 5 minutes long, the tone of voice and style of scripting, which is to keep the language super simple and easy to understand. And then for tonality of the voiceover, I'm saying energetic American female voice. And then you can add any other information that you want. So in my case, this is where I was able to just go ahead and add that blog article and say just pick points from this for any point of reference. So the same thing for you guys to do as well. Okay, so now back to the computer. So my audience for this is young professionals. I want it to be inspiring and I want the platform to be YouTube. And then I want them to use the premium AI, so I'm gonna say, all right, continue. So now we're just waiting for the video to be generated. And since I gave like a really good detailed prompt, there should not be many edits that I have to do. But with most things, nothing is perfect, so we're gonna still may have to make some very minor edits to it at the end, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do all of that. Okay, so let's take a look at how this looks.
Welcome to today's video where we delve into the world of success. Today's topic is 10 habits of highly successful people. We've all heard the phrase, success doesn't happen by accident. Well, that's truer than most of us realize. Success is a result of conscious effort, intention, and growth. It's about developing habits that guide our actions and decisions. Habits that, when practiced daily, can transform our lives and propel us towards the pinnacle of success. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 10 habits that can propel you towards success. Habit number 1, successful people have a solid morning routine.
So that's not bad. So what I think I'm gonna do is I wanna go ahead and edit this. And because I'm thinking like, okay, so this is good, but let me see, what if I wanted to change the voiceover to like a man's voice? So what if I said, change the voiceover to an energetic American male? And let's see what it does. All right, now let's listen to it. So I said just change the voiceover to a new one, so let's hear it.
Welcome to today's video where we delve into the world of success. Today's topic is 10 habits of highly successful people. We've all heard the phrase, success doesn't happen by accident. Well, that's truer than most of us realize. Success is a result of conscious effort, intention, and growth. It's about developing habits that guide our actions and decisions. Habits that, when practiced daily, can transform our lives and propel us towards the pinnacle of success. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 10 habits that can propel you towards success. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness.
So I like this. So you see too that what you can also do, so you can tell it to do whatever you want. You don't even have to go ahead and make your own changes. But say for example, habits 1 to 3. If I wanted to go in and change the script, I could. You could just go to edit script. And this is only if you want. You just go over here and then you can click on this. And if you just wanted to say habit number 1, you can change it like that. Or if you want to just say, make the habits individually instead of just saying habits 1 through 3. You can make it however you want. Just tell it what to do. So anything I don't like here, I can just change it, apply changes, and it'll do that. And I'm not changing anything, so I'm just gonna say okay. And same thing with the media. So if I wanted to go ahead and change one of these stock images, I could do just that. So if I go to edit media, any one that I don't like, I can just click on it and then I can change it. So I can go to upload a new one, or I could just search for another one. So I could just say something like, I don't know, workout, and see kind of what kind of workout footage that they can give me right here. And then I can choose from one of these that I may like better, and then just replace that with that one. And just for it being overlapped like that, that will let me know that it has been replaced. And then I can apply these changes, and then there we go. And so that is what I love about this tool. So you see how I was able to do this in just a matter of minutes? It created me a high quality produced video in just a matter of minutes. And so I'm like, you guys, if I can do this, anybody can do this. This is something that you will want to do. Like, you really want to go ahead and play around with this and try different things, because this tool is incredible. There are no more excuses. If you want to create a YouTube channel, a faceless one, where if you're not comfortable showing your face or using your voice, you don't have to anymore, thanks to the power of AI and tools like this. So if you guys want to try it in video, it is free. But if you want to export your videos without the watermark, you're gonna have the paid version to do that, which I highly recommend. So if you are serious about this and you want to create this, I highly recommend doing the one for $25 a month, because that's gonna be able to get you some high quality videos without the watermark. And if you get stuck anywhere in this process, they have 24/7 live chat support and they will respond to you in under a minute. It is like incredible. So I love this tool so much. It's definitely worth it. You can also subscribe to their InVideo's YouTube channel for more tips on how to actually do these prompts and stuff like that, just to help you create the best YouTube videos out there. So I'm gonna put all the links to this in the description below so you guys can check it out just for more information. So now when you're done, you're gonna go ahead back to the video and then you can go ahead and export it. So once you export your video, you're gonna go to YouTube and go right here to this create. And this is assuming you have a YouTube channel. If you do not have a YouTube channel, the process is very simple. I'm gonna show you really quickly. If you just scroll over here, I have a channel already. So you can go to switch account. And then I can go to add an account, and you can go ahead and just add an account right there. And this is how you're gonna get your YouTube channel started. And there you guys go. I have eliminated every excuse for you not to start a YouTube channel. Now, if you wanna do this and you wanna get it monetized, you're gonna have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within a year to start monetizing your channel with ads on it. Now, Mr. Beast, who is one of the largest YouTube channels out there, he said that if you just focus on making the best YouTube videos, the views and subscribers, they're going to come. So put your all into this. You know, if you want this to be your thing, let it be your thing and focus on this. If you want long-term success, you have to put in the work. Thankfully with AI, it's just not that hard to do this kind of stuff. So if you like this video, guys, let me know in the comment section if you want to try this. I want to hear from you guys. What do you think? And if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you guys don't miss out on these other videos that I'm doing. And if you like the idea of AI, I just did another video on 3 insane crazy ways you guys can make more money from that just using the tools that I talked about in that video. So you can watch that one right now. All right, as always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.